Okay, YouTube family. Thought I was through with my Valentine's Day meal. Think again. For dessert, stay with me. I'm going to be baking a red velvet cake. You don't want to miss this video. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm trying to save time on this video, so most of the things I'm doing, I'm already in the process of doing it, but I'm gonna show you all the ingredients, okay? Right now I'm sifting in a bowl the dry ingredients. And the dry ingredients includes 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And although I sifted it, what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna kind of move it around a little. Like I said, I've already sifted it, but I like to move it around a little. Stay with me throughout the entire video, okay? This is gonna be great. This video was inspired by my sister. She bakes this cake all the time. This is her recipe, so I'm following her directions, okay? I've made it before and it is delicious, okay? Okay, now YouTube fam, we're gonna start on a wet batter, okay? First off, we're gonna mix together all of these ingredients, okay? A cup of buttermilk, whichever kind you like. And I'm going to use a hand mixer, but you can use a, if you have a regular mixer, you can use that also, okay? It's just more convenient for me to use the hand mixer. Now I'm going to add in 1 1/2 cup of oil, okay? Vegetable oil. You want to make sure you got your mixer on low, okay? And I have a towel up under my bowl so it can be a little sturdy. That's the only reason the towel is up under my bowl, okay? Now I'm gonna add 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. Now, you wanna add them one at a time, and you wanna make sure that they're at room temperature, okay? Everything I'm putting in here, make sure the milk, everything is at room temperature, okay? I'm gonna add our other egg, okay? And the reason I do it like this and I just don't crack it inside the bowl because I don't want any shells to get in there, so I just do it in a separate bowl. But you don't have to if you don't want to, but believe me, it's safer if you do it separately, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of food coloring, okay? What I'm gonna use is, that's 1, 2, I always put 4 in there because to me 2 just does not put the color in like I really like, okay? Believe me, you won't mess up, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna go ahead and add my vanilla extract to it. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And make sure it's pure vanilla extract, okay? We're gonna continue to mix. Coming together well. Okay, YouTube fam. We also want to add one last ingredient to the wet batter. And that's going to be 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Distilled white vinegar. Make sure you add that because that's going to really kick it off, okay? And you want to just mix this low about, I always do it about probably 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, so everything will be mixed well in there. Okay? Okay, YouTube fam. Now I'm going to just add my dry ingredients to the wet batter, okay? And what I usually do is just add maybe half of it to it. And mix. You don't have to. You can add it all at once, but I always just add half and half. To me, it just incorporates better if I do it that way. I'm going to add the last of my dry ingredients to it. Oh, wait. Okay. Coming together really, really well. I hope you can see really well in here. Okay? Okay, what I like to do, YouTube fam, is kind of for the size, you know, some of the ingredients are going on the side. I just get my spatula and just kind of run it down, okay? Because you don't want to waste any ingredients, any of them, okay? And we want to continue to mix and turn it up a little, okay? Not too high. And I would say mix about probably about 2 minutes, okay? That way everything will be incorporated really, really well, okay? Oh, I'm sorry. Can you see? Okay. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already put my mixture into the cake pans. In my cake pans, you know you got to grease your cake pans really well and flour them. If you don't want to do that, you can use the, now they sell the the spray that has the oil and flour already in it. But I didn't have any on hand, so I had to add my own oil and my flour, and I did all the sides, and I added my mixture. I evenly distributed the cake mixture into the pans. Now, I'm going to put them in the oven, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, we're going to put them in the oven. 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Okay? And when we come back, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, YouTube fam. I hope you can hear me over the mixer I'm making the homemade frosting for the rare velvet cake. In here I have 1 stick of butter, which is a half a cup. And I have a 16-ounce cream cheese. And make sure, like I told you before, make sure everything is at room temperature, okay? Now I'm going to add in some, hold on. I'm going to mix that a little better. Now I'm going to add in 4 cups of powdered sugar, okay? And I'm going to add it in 1 cup at the time, okay? Okay, I just added, can you see? Okay. I just added the last cup of powdered sugar. In order for this to get creamy, you really have to mix this. If I were you, I would mix it for at least probably 10 minutes, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, I've stopped the mixer. I want to tell you that you're supposed to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, okay? Vanilla extract, okay? That's going to give it some more great flavor. Okay, I finished mixing it, and see how smooth it is? It's gonna be delicious on top of the cake. Stay with me so you can see the finished product. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh. Okay, YouTube fam, I've taken the cakes out of the oven. I'm gonna let them cool before frosting. And I'll bring you back when I'm finished. Don't they look delicious? Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, our cakes have cooled. I've already put the first one on there. Before I take the second one out, I always like to put frosting on my. Some people don't. I do, okay? And I'm just gonna start it off and show you how I do it, and I'm not going to leave you on here doing it the whole while, but once I just want to show you how I start off. Doesn't that frosting look delicious? It's going to be delicious once I get through with the entire cake, okay? Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm finished with that first layer, okay? Now I'm going to take this one out of the pan. It should come out easily. I'm going to see while you all are on here, will it come out easy? Yes, it is. Okay, and I'm just gonna center that on top. And I'm gonna put, don't worry about all of that. I'm gonna clean all of that up when I get through. I'm gonna put my frosting on this and on the sides, and I'll bring you back, okay? Okay, YouTube fam, I finished. Doesn't it look terrific? Doesn't it look terrific? It's gonna be delicious also. Now let me tell you how I'm gonna finish this, okay? I'm gonna add some crushed pecans to it, okay? And what I normally, hold on 1 second, okay? Okay, what I normally do now is add some crushed pecans. We own about 6 or 7 pecan trees, and I always pick me some, and I'm just gonna, you don't have to put pecans on yours if you don't want to, but I just like to garnish it with crushed pecans. You don't have to, and I don't put a whole lot on there, okay? It looks delicious, okay? All right. Now, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna cut it because You know, I've already done the Valentine's dinner without my husband. You know, I did a taste test without him. And that was the steak and mashed potatoes and gravy and green beans. I've already done that video. I'll put a link in the description box to let you know in case you missed that. But I did not want to cut the cake without my husband being here. But believe me, it's going to be moist and delicious. It really is. And like I say, it took, we put the oven on 350 and it took probably about 40 minutes for the cake to finish. And now I've frosted it and garnished it, and it just looks, to me, it just looks terrific, and it's gonna be delicious. And I didn't use any butter in the cake, you know, cake mixture. What I did do was I used butter in the frosting, but I didn't use it in the cake. Using the oil and the buttermilk in the cake makes it very, very moist, and that's what it's going to be. It's going to be moist and delicious. Really, it really is. And it also, using that buttermilk and oil, it also makes the cake soft and moist for a very long time. I mean, days after you baked it, you know, just in case you don't eat it all. But believe me, this is going to be gone. I'm going to take some to my mom and a special friend of mine, girlfriend of mine. She's very sweet. I always, when I make red velvet cake, I always send her a piece. And the rest of it, my husband will devour. He loves it. But anyway, before I go, I want to tell y'all, too, what we're going to have, me and my husband, on Valentine's Day today. We're going to have some Stella Rose wine. We always celebrate Valentine's Day with that. We drink a glass of it, and it is delicious. It really is. Okay? And before I go, I want you to please hit the like button, please. It really helps my channel, the audience. It brings audience to my channel who normally would not know about my recipes and my videos. So hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Give me some support, really. I'm a small channel. I'm trying to grow. And I love bringing great videos to you all. I really do. Please help me out. I really appreciate that. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. And before I go, I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. I hope you have a spectacular day, whether you're with someone or alone. It doesn't matter. You can always, always enjoy your day. And I want to send out a special thanks to my sister because, like I say, this is her recipe. She inspired me to do it, and I love it. Thank you, sister. And happy Valentine's Day. And again, thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna go ahead and slice cake so at least you can see how it looks. You know. Oh, it looks so delicious. Look at it. Look how delicious it looks. I know I cut me a big piece, but I love it. Okay. Look at that. Look how moist that looks. Okay. Look how moist that looks. And it's gonna be moist. Look at that. Mmm. 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 It's delicious. It is delicious. Mmm. Okay, YouTube fam. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. Thanks.